Yo, what the deal? It's your boy X.E.L. Welcome back. Thank you for coming back. And those who are new here, definitely like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. I'll let y'all know when I drop another video. And today I'm gonna actually do a beat from scratch using only Cakewalk instruments. Y'all ready to see that, ain't y'all? Me too. All right, let's go through these. All right, so here we are in Cakewalk, and these are the instruments that actually come with Cakewalk. If you go to their page in here, it shows you that it comes with this TTS1, it comes with this studio instrument bass guitar, it comes with this studio instruments drum kit, it comes with the electronic piano, and some strings. So these are like the only things you need to actually get started in Cakewalk. Let me just make a beat real quick and kind of show you how I would do it if I just got the software and program and was wanting to record something. All right, so let's start with the E piano. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is actually hit on this record button, and I will be hitting R on my keyboard to start it. Let's set a tempo, so let's go to project, and we're going to go to tempo and insert tempo change, and we have the tempo here. Alright, so let's do 95. Going to double click on this, bring it up into our piano roll. I'm going to do a Shift D. That'll bring up our keyboard here. I'm just going to do a real quick quantize, highlight all of them, hit Q. All right, so just adding that little tail at the end, just plugging it in with the clicking stuff. That's going to end it off. I'm going to go back into this section. I'm going to take that off. I did set it to a 4-bar loop, so it'll make it a little easier to kind of do the transition. And let's go into the strings. So let's see if we can record some strings in here. Just gonna hit record, the R on the keyboard. Alright, so what I'm going to do is stretch these out. And let's go into our bass. All right, so we're gonna go into the bass here. Let's plug the piano roll. All right, so I'm just gonna copy the bass notes that were in that electronic piano. So for the drums, I'm actually going to turn on this quantize. Let's put it at 1/8. Hopefully it locks in when it's recording, but we shall see. All right, so I have it set on record. Let's see what it does. So now we got the hi-hats down. Let's actually do the recording of the kick and the snare. All right, so once we actually are going to do the drums, let's make sure that the record is having a sound on sound. Apply. So that way I can play my drums and it'll still play the hi-hat as well. All right, so let's go see you put the bass back on, hear how it sounds together. sub. Alright, so this TSS seems like it's having some issues. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is actually copy these here. Let's put them on this TTS, and I'm gonna bring it up an octave. I'm gonna do a control and the number 8 when all of them are highlighted. Control 8. It's gonna bring it up an octave. Alright, so what you want to do to actually get your drums on the separate tracks, I'm going to go and right click on here, click on here, right click, and I'm going to duplicate this track, right? And I'm duplicate the events, properties, effects, and sends. I'm going to do it so 2 times. All right. So now what you want to do is go into the piano roll, and we're going to name them. All right, so this one is going to be my kick. This one's going to be my snare. All right, so let's start with the hi-hats. I'm just going to highlight these down here, and we're going to delete, and we're going to go to the snares. I'm going to hold down control to get rid of this part too. Delete. So it's only snares, and I'm going to go here to the kick. I'm going to highlight everything above that, and I'm going to delete that, and now we only have a kick here. So that's an easy way to separate everything. If you have if you don't have separate samplers or X.E.L installed, you can still have everything go into each individual channel. So now my kick, snare, hi-hat, everything has its own lane. So now that I have everything separated, I want to add one more sound. So I'm gonna duplicate this one. Hopefully it doesn't destroy everything. Duplicate track. Events, repetitions 1. All right, so this top one, guitar mutes, and this one is just going to be a regular guitar. All right, so let's run with that one. And for this first guitar, what I'm going to do is actually turn on the ARP, and let's do a 1/8, and we're going to lock it on that 1/8, and let's see how that sounds. As you can hear, it has that little rhythm in the background as well. So this is pretty much where the beat is going to end. I'm actually going to mix it down, let y'all hear it at the end. Man, if y'all have any questions, concerns, hit me below in the comments. But once again, it's your boy X.E.L. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. I'll let y'all know when I drop another video. Y'all know what it is. Peace.